Hi guys, today we've got here Google Pixel 9a and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So to reset all app preferences you need to enroll the list of all apps and reach settings, then find and select apps and now enroll all apps that you have. Then select more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and click Reset App Preferences. So now, if you truly want to get rid of all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just mark Reset Apps. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.